and you are watching TubeMint. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can customize Dawn theme. And this is very first video in the series of Dawn theme customization. This is Dawn 2.0, OS 2.0, and at the moment, the latest release of Dawn is 12.0.0. So what I'm going to do, I'm quickly going to add this Dawn theme. You can add a new Dawn theme by going to Shopify admin and scroll down to this section which says popular free themes and look for Dawn. If you don't find it, go here, click visit theme store and just select free themes. So this is very popular free default theme on Shopify. This is where you can get this Dawn theme. Okay, so you can see successfully added Dawn theme. We are going to customize it, and before you do that, you can add it to this section. If you have already a store, you do not want to publish right away, you simply want to customize and save it. Okay, you can simply click customize. I'm going to open this in a new tab, and after making changes, you can keep saving right there. Okay, and the other way, if you're just building a new store, then you can publish it and customize quickly. So let me quickly add section and okay, let me add this one and save it. So it will be saved. Okay, you will get this publish button right there. So it's going to be saved and you can preview it from here. So in this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to publish it for this series of video, and then what I can do, you can see this section was added. Okay, so this is the Dawn theme, which is basically at the moment 12.0.0, but rest assured it's going to be the same process for Dawn theme as long as it is OS 2.0. Okay, and this is January 23rd 2014, and what I'm going to do, I'm quickly going to click this customize. You can also go to edit code, but at this moment I'm going to customize. Okay, later in this series, in other videos, upcoming videos, I can go ahead and show you how you can add codes, customize it, customize your code, etc, etc. So this is basically your home page template. Before we get into the templates, we want to get familiar with this section. So this is a sections button, theme settings, and then theme embeds, sorry, app embeds. So if you have installed any app, you can enable disable by clicking these buttons. You also get this options if your app has. Okay, so in this video, let's quickly cover this part. So there are 3 groups on a template. Okay, so this is a home template. You can go to product template and so on. Okay, this is product template, single product template, and you'll see some pattern here. So you can see header, footer. This is global section or group, section group, which is going to be available on every template. Okay, and this is a template part which gets inserted depending on what page you're trying to view or viewing or template you are selecting. For example, if I go ahead and click on collections, you can see header and footer groups are going to be the same, but this part keeps changing. Okay, so that's where this template part is inserted on every dynamically on every page you visit. Okay, this is going to be remain same, header and footer groups. Alrighty, so okay, let's begin this theme settings, which is going to be global setting on your theme. Okay, so logo, color, typography, layout, animations, buttons, variant pills, inputs, product cards, collection cards, block cards, content containers, media drop downs and pop-ups, drawers, badges, brand information, social media, search behavior, currency format, cart and checkout, and custom CSS. These are basically the global settings that almost every 2.0 theme has. If you're going to purchase or have already purchased a premium theme, you may have a little more options. So let's get started with the logo. Go ahead and select the logo. Make sure you already have uploaded one. I'm going to select one, and you can see this will be replaced. This is not a very good logo, but you can go ahead and edit it and make sure you add alt text to every image you add. I'm going to copy it so that I can also add. You can increase the size, width, favicon. So favicon is must. This has to be 32 by 32 pixel. And what I'm going to do, I do not have that exact size, but you definitely want to have to speed up the page load. Okay, I'm going to keep this one, and I'm also going to edit this. And what this Shopify lets you do, it lets you set a focal point. So that's where it's going to be mine. Again, I'm going to add the text. So don't forget to add alt text. Another thing that I would like to tell you, lots of people do not sort of this is not a good practice. Okay, so your images name must be unique, and it should not be like gibberish that you see here. It has to be very clear so that search engines can read them. Now once you're happy, you can go ahead and save it and preview your changes, view your changes. So that's what we added, you can see. All right, next thing we want to have a look at is the colors. So these are color schemes that you can create here and can use on a sections. So if I go to sections, and let's say this is a product grid, I'll go to products template, and then I can show you how you can use color schemes of dawn themes or dawn based themes. Okay, this is let's say related product. Now you see, as soon as I click on it, I get to choose a color scheme. So I can choose this one, and this is how it looks. Okay, so this is how you can use color schemes. And I'll go back to themes settings, and I'll go to colors. You can also add your color schemes. You can change the background colors. Red one, text to be white, something like that. Okay, so that's my one color scheme that's going to be appearing here. So you can add more. So this is how you can add color schemes and use them on different templates and sections. Typography, you can change store wise, like globally. This is headings, so I can go ahead and change the font for headings depending on your liking. You can load more fonts. Let's see, depends what you are okay with. This is body, which will be like these text, so I can go ahead and change it. You definitely want to sort of check on mobile devices as well, how it looks. Awesome. And that's the typography layout. So this is page layout width on a bigger screen. I'm going to leave it as it is. Animation, so by default it's none. I'm going to give it a vertical lift as soon as you hover on it, and then that's how you can enable hover effect animations. Buttons, these are buttons. You want to give a thickness of 2 pixels. Let's see, it got just applied. You can also change no, corner radius. You do not have any radius. Okay, that looks better, a bit better. So I'm going to save it. This is how you can manage your thickness of buttons. And we were at the buttons. Variant pills. These are variant pills if you have any. Okay, thickness. I think those are okay, but I'll make it 2. Okay, so that's what they are. Opacity, which they had given color as well. So input is going to be at the very bottom. This is an input. Corner radius, you can see that was applied. So this is how you can update these things. Input bar for product cards, you can see this is going to be a card now. Image padding, if you want to give, a lot of people give, but text alignment corner center, sorry, text alignment center, left, right. Color scheme, I'm going to go with this default one. You can change it, thickness, border, etc, but you don't have color to choose from, so I'm going to leave that as that is. Collection card, again, I'm going to enable it. I'm going to keep it center. That's going to be available on collections list. Block card, keep it as a card, keep things in the center globally, right? Content containers, I think this looks okay. And then we have media. Media looks just fine. Media is the images, drop down pop-ups. Thickness is 2 is okay, yeah. Drawer, most important part of this theme, which is a drawer, and drawer is going to be enable badges bottom left. Okay, so I'll leave that badges as they are. Brand information. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this one as here, and I'm going to pick an image. Let's see where is it. I'll fix this later on. Probably later on. Okay, that's the brand information, social media. So this is social media section where you want to type in your, let's say, that's going to be appearing on the footer section. Instagram, this is achievement, YouTube, sorry. And then I will also go Twitter. Okay, so those are my social media pages. Search behavior. So price, I'm happy with the pricing. Currency format, let them choose. By default it's going to be, okay, so that's currency format, cart. So I want to have the drawer here on the right. Cart node, so vendor, select the collection when there is nothing in the cart to be displayed. When somebody clicks on the drawer and they have not added anything in the cart, you want to suggest some cart. Okay, checkout is going to be a complete section, complete video on the checkout. What it does, it lets you customize a checkout page. The last thing is custom CSS. You can put your custom CSS here, which will be global CSS on your theme. So what I'm going to do, save it and then view it. Okay guys, this is very quick way to get you started customizing your Shopify theme, and you can see this is how you can start customizing your Shopify Dawn theme, which you get for completely free. In the next video I'm going to show you how we can start customizing the homepage template, adding more sections, and then product, collections, pages, and blog posts and blog, and then finally checkout page. Okay, so finally we'll customize this checkout section. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment and I will try to come up with solid customization